Trend versus forecasting. Trend and forecast are close concept, but still there are few differences. Trend is something that represents the current or past period. Example, by analyzing the recent production, the Y value, you can determine the production trend, Y value trend, and understand how your production output has performed and is currently performing. Forecast is something that relates more to the future. By analyzing the historical production data, Y value, you can project future changes and predict where current production data, Y value, will take you. The difference between trend and forecast. The forecast function can predict future values based on the existing value. The trend function can calculate both current and future trends. The forecast function is used as a regular formula and returns a single new Y value for a single new X value. The trend function is used as an array formula and computes multiple Y values for multiple X values. When used for time series forecasting, both functions produce the same linear trend or forecast because their calculations are based on the same equation. Drawing a trend line to visualize the trend. A trend line is commonly used to observe the general trend in your current data as well as project future data movements. Further details including adding trend line to chart etc. will be dealt in the video depictions to follow. Trend calculation. Select the trend column C2 to C11. In the formula bar, enter trend formula equal to trend known Y values, known X values. Here known Y values is from B2 to B11 and known X values are from A2 to A11. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Delete. The trend gets calculated. Trend projection. Select project trend cells C12 to C16. In the formula bar, enter trend formula equal to trend known Y values, known X values, new X values. Here, known Y values is B2 to B11. Known X values is A2 to A11. Next X values is from A12 to A16. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Delete. The trend is projected. Forecasting. Select the first cell of the forecasting column D12. Enter the formula equal to forecast X value, known Y values, known X values. Here X value is A12. Known Y values is B2 to B11. Known X values is from A2 to A11. Insert dollar symbols as depicted in the videos for fixing the cells. Press Enter. Drag to the end of the column. Forecasting is done. Trend line. A trend line is commonly used to observe the general trend in your current data as well as project future data movements. Select the Y value column B1 to B11. Click Insert. Select Line Chart. Current Y value chart is created. Right-click on the data series. Click Add Trend Line. A new pop-up pane or window appears. There are 6 trend line options. The trend line options are exponential, linear, logarithmic, polynomial, power, moving average. The linear trend line will be selected by default. The other trend line options will be dealt in the coming episodes. In the forward column of the forecast, add number of periods to be forecasted. Here we enter 5. Mark the box Display equation on chart. Press Close. The trend line gets forecasted. The linear Y value is the trend projected for the next 5 years. Y equal to 2.3159x plus 92.375 is the equation for the trend line. Forecast with equation. Enter the equation y equal to 2.3139x plus 92.375 in the respective column. Here it is 2.3139 multiplied by 812 plus 92.375. Press enter. The forecast for the 11th year is calculated. You can drag it till B16 to get the forecast. Similarly, you can have n number of periods projected by entering values in the x value, a column, and dragging the equation e column. For Krishi Sanjeevani, Vipin.